The energy landscape is quickly moving to clean, sustainable solutions. Cities and homes alike need access to renewable energy that's reliable and affordable. For households especially, solar power is an ideal choice. And thanks to the dedication of thousands of engineers worldwide, solar technology continues to improve.
Our purpose is to accelerate a sustainable future, to bring it closer and faster. I grew up in a small village in rural China, where we didn't have any electricity at all when I was 8. Many nights were spent under the flickering light of a kerosene lamp, struggling to read and do my homework. When our village was electrified, life changed dramatically. We felt safer and became much easier to study and learn. Everything transformed overnight. I could watch TV and connect to the world, which truly broadened my perspective. At Zendure, the work we do is deeply personal to me. I experienced firsthand how access to energy can transform lives. That's why our mission is to deliver reliable and affordable clean energy for households worldwide by popularizing the latest energy tech.
Im Internet und auf Facebook wurde ich auf Zendure Solarflow aufmerksam. Dieses Konzept hat mich überzeugt und ich habe einen Solarflow mit 2 Batterien gekauft. Und das Beste daran war, dass ich die Installation selber ganz einfach per Plug-and-Play ohne professionelle Hilfe durchführen konnte. Im gesamten Haus habe ich ungefähr 30% Energiekosten eingespart.
At Zendure, innovation isn't just a goal, it's our foundation. We believe renewable energy should be safe, simple, and reliable for everyone. That's why 40% of our team is dedicated to R&D, constantly pushing boundaries to make clean energy more accessible and user-friendly. Our award-winning engineers were the first to bring the plug-and-play modular storage system to the market, and the only ones to introduce the AC bidirectional charging technology into plug-in solar system. By making clean energy easy to use, we are empowering people to have the sustainable solutions into their daily lives.
I have a photovoltaic system that generates about 300 kilowatt of energy per month, and I have Hybrid 2000 to store that excess power in the batteries so that I do not have to give it back to the grid provider. But there's still some excess, so I like very much that the Hybrid 2000 system is modular and that you can add other batteries to expand the capacity. So it's a very sustainable solution and also a very good solution for my financial invest.
Mit der flexiblen Akkuspeicherlösung von Zendure habe ich die Möglichkeit, Strom zu speichern. Ich kann Strom speichern, wenn untertags die Sonne an ist. Wenn nachts es dunkel ist und ich aber trotzdem Strom im Haus brauche, kann ich diesen flexibel aus meinem Akku beziehen. Warum teure Energie kaufen, wenn es Sonnenenergie kostenlos gibt?
Ein Familienmitglied hatte vor ein paar Jahren einen Hirnschlag und hatte daraufhin Probleme mit dem Gedächtnis. Um sein Gedächtnis zu trainieren, hat er sich selber Aufgaben gestellt, wie das Ablesen des Stromzählers, und dazu nutzte er unter anderem auch die Zendure-App, die ihm sehr dabei geholfen hat. Zendure hat unser Leben verändert, indem wir die Sonnenenergie, die wir sonst am Tag verschenkt hätten, jetzt auch noch zusätzlich in der Nacht nutzen können. Und dadurch senken wir unsere Stromkosten noch einmal um ein großes Stück.
Just 2 weeks ago, my second grandchild was born. And with 2 nice guys, I am now thinking about how will the future in which they will living. And with my own bad footprint, I have to start now to change it and to make it better. With the Zendure products, I found a possibility which is plug and play easiestly to make the world better again for all the people who are living after me.
Zendure partners with world-class suppliers to deliver excellence in energy storage solutions. Our collaboration with Ganfeng Lithium, the global leader in lithium production, demonstrates our commitment to quality manufacturing. Through their advanced lithium iron phosphate battery technology and innovative recycling capabilities, we maintain high environmental standards while providing reliable clean energy storage solutions.
Alongside our global partners, we strive to develop cutting-edge technology to accelerate that journey. In alignment with the United Nations 2030 Agenda to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all.
Zendure envisions being a clean energy tech platform that sustains communities and families. When you choose our solutions, you're not just making a choice for your home, you're joining a global movement toward a sustainable future. Let's embark on this journey together for ourselves and for future generations.